In a quaint village nestled within the foothills of a majestic mountain range, a tale of warmth, hospitality, and culture unfolds. A motley group of tourists, hailing from all corners of the world, descends upon this serene hamlet, their hearts brimming with eagerness to immerse themselves in the local way of life. The villagers, known for their camaraderie, receive them with open arms. The beauty of the village and the kindness of its people captivate the visitors. They explore, they learn, they share, and soon enough, they're not just tourists, but a part of this vibrant community. Among these tourists is Maria, a young woman who loses her way in the forest one evening. An old woman, living in a small cottage, provides her with shelter and guidance. This act of kindness leaves an indelible mark on Maria's heart. Years later, Maria returns, finding the village transformed, and the cottage replaced by a hotel. Yet, the warmth and hospitality remain unaltered. The old woman's granddaughter, now a receptionist at the hotel, welcomes Maria, treating her like royalty. Maria's story serves a poignant reminder. Hospitality and tourism are not merely about sightseeing or luxury stays. It's about sharing culture, creating experiences, and forming bonds that transcend geographical boundaries. So when you open your hearts to visitors, you're not just providing a service, but also creating memories that beckon them back to your doorstep.